I haven't vlogged in so freaking long. Ridiculous. Like, it feels awkward. Happy Valentine's Day. I thought I'd come back on Valentine's Day and show you guys how I'm spending my Valentine's Day. My Valentine had to work. So today I wanted to make today about like self-love and loving myself, happiness, and just romanticizing my life, myself. So I want to show you guys what I got myself for Valentine's Day. So I've been really wanting these Yeezy foam runners for so long, and I never get a chance to get them. They sell out so fast. So I did end up going on GOAT and getting these for resale, and it was a crazy over $200 markup. And then I got me another Apple Watch because I lost my last one and I'm in the gym, but I'll tell you guys all about that later. But yeah, so this is my Valentine's Day gift to myself. And then I got some roses from my Valentine, and I got a card over there and some candy and some other stuff. So we're about to go out. I'm about to get dressed, and then we're gonna go out and spend the day together and do some stuff. I'm so happy to be back vlogging. So let me get ready and I'll show you guys my outfit. So I am all dressed and ready to go. There's so many things I need to catch you guys up on. I bought a new car, so I'm gonna show you guys that. Actually, I'm gonna also insert some clips right here of my car. You know, Instagram seen it first. I took some pictures and stuff of it, some videos. I created a reel, so I'll insert that right here. I also have a new puppy. Well, he's not a puppy anymore. I haven't vlogged in so long. He's like almost 9 months now. I think this month makes him 9 months, but I'll show him when he was little. This is him right now. Say hi, boo-boo boy. Say hi. He is a French bulldog. Say hi. His name is Draco, the cutest little baby ever to grace this earth. I love him so much. But yeah, so we're about to leave. We're about to go out. I'm gonna vlog as much as I can. I might end up vlogging on my phone, and I do have that new 13, so the footage from the phone is probably gonna be better, but I do plan on buying me a new camera. Just stay tuned for that because I want my content to be at the next level. That's why I didn't pick up the camera for so long too, because I need to come new for 2022. Got my purse, I got everything. I got all the things that I need. So yeah, we about to just go spray some perfume. I smell heavenly. I smell so good. I had to turn the light back on because actually what I did want to do was change out my phone case. So I had bought me a phone case. I just told you guys I have the iPhone 13. I'm about to sit. Oh no, I can't sit on this. I'm too thick to be sitting on it. So this is the iPhone right here, the 13. I think I got it like space gray, or I don't know what the color is, but this is a new case. I've just really been so into black, hence why I got an all black car. Yeah, so I just been into the whole like black, sleek, modern look. So just for the vibes and for the aesthetics. Oh, let me show y'all my Valentine's nails. So these are my nails. Appropriate, super cute Valentine's Day nails. Let's go change my phone case. About to get my keys. Actually, I want to open this. Uh-oh, down there looking at me. I'm about to pick him up so y'all can see. Look at his face. Look at that face. Look at that boy. The cutest boy ever. Okay. All right, so let's open this. I'll just set it up when we're eating and we're chatting, but I'm gonna just put it on right now. We got the watch, we got the phone, we blacked out, we ready to go. Let me clean this up a little bit before he come up in here complaining. I'll just deal with that later. But ooh, makeup is beat. Lashes, these are Fluffy Lashes, my lash business. I need to get back up on it. Okay, the only thing I need to do is get my lipstick and my lip gloss.
You ignore, you don't even, you leave the crib.
Okay, so we are in the car, in this beautiful car. I just love this car so much. I've had it for 3 days now. It is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz C. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a 2022 Mercedes GLC 300 Coupe. So it's like, it's the SUV, but it's the coupe. Just love the little sporty look or whatever. And I want to show you guys this feature. Amazing. I hope you can see it. I have, you know, obviously the backup cam, but I also have the bird's eye view, and that is perfect for my no driving ass. I am just so happy and in such a good place in my life. My boyfriend is at work, so I won't be able to spend Valentine's Day with him, but you know, tonight, and we're not doing anything. We're just gonna like chill at home because he's super tired. Definitely romanticize my life, and take myself out. That's on period, because you don't need no man, sis. You don't need no man. You could do for yourself, and that's on period. So yeah, I'm about to drive out to San Jose, you know, find me something to do a little bit of shopping. I didn't bring no mask out. Yeah, I didn't. Oh, I have one because I had stole this one from my cousin Star. So I already had coffee, so I'm not gonna drink anymore. But I'll see y'all in a minute. I'm about to listen to my music and turn up. I want to listen to all love songs today, but I kind of want to listen to some Summer Walker. That'll be what I'm gonna listen to right now. I'm just so happy to be back vlogging. I've been on Instagram too much. I need to get off. Like, I've been taking breaks. I think I'm about to take another break, and then I can really get more into my vlogging as well. Let's listen to some Summer Walker right now. If I had you back, I wouldn't have did all that. So complicated. True story. Okay, you guys, so we are now out of Louis Vuitton. We are out of Louis Vuitton, and I'm about to go get some food because I told you guys we were going to lunch. The SA that I worked with was so freaking sweet. Her name was Yan. She's so sweet, and I was telling her that I vlog and you're really not supposed to record in Louis Vuitton, which I was sure that you wasn't, but you know, she told me to just kind of like keep it on the under, so I did vlog on my phone. The only thing I hate is that the quality is gonna go from bad to good, because I know that the iPhone is gonna look better, you know, than the camera, but it's just easier for me to edit. Some food or whatever. It says it's 10 minutes away, so that's where we're about to go. Actually, while I'm sitting here, let me reapply my lip gloss. I wanted to show y'all my new lip combo, and I was talking to her and I was telling her that, you know, she was like, YouTube, like, she doesn't do it and she kind of wants to do it and stuff, and I was telling her to just go for it because that's really what it's about. I'm gonna use my viewfinder. Actually, hold on, y'all. Let's normalize black girls in luxury, because when I tell y'all, I am literally living my best life right now, all by myself. I feel so good, like, and yeah, that's what it's all about, for real, for real. Okay, so the lip combo is Chestnut from MAC, and it's tiny. I've been having this for years, but it's just like a oldie but a goodie. It's Chestnut from MAC, and then it is Peach Stock. I don't know, it won't focus, but this is Peach Stock from MAC, and then from Morphe, this is Flower Crown. So I'll link everything below. I don't know if MAC has discontinued Flower Crown, Peach Stock, but hopefully they didn't, because they known to discontinue a good lipstick. That's annoying. I don't know why they do that. Like, if it's not broke, then don't fix it. Why are y'all discontinuing stuff? Just a tad bit more. Y'all, I be so nervous driving this car, I'm not gonna even lie. Like, it's just too new and too nice to be getting into any type of accidents. Like, if you take care of your stuff, it's gonna take care of you. So that's what I'm on. So I'll see you guys at the restaurant. So I'm done eating. I am so full, y'all. First I just had the sushi, but then I was hungry still, so I was like, and then I seen they had appetizers, so I was like, yeah, let me get some chicken spring rolls, and they was okay. I don't really like spring rolls. They taste all right. I didn't eat all of them. I just left them. Gotta get back home. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Oh shit, I gotta go. I forgot. have to go back out in a minute to get my son from school. Y'all see me start making a roast. Here it is right here. It's actually a tri-tip, like a tri-tip roast. I like to get this meat because it's not so like bland or whatever. And then I just got this marinade. It's sweet teriyaki. And then I got some Worcester, who know how to say that, Worcester sauce, some W sauce. So yeah, put these potatoes in it, and then put some onions, season it up real good. So I'll let y'all see me do that right now. Okay, so I just added the carrots and the potatoes. The meat is just about done. It's just not falling off how I want it to. It's coming along. You see, it's getting